Hi, I'm Peter Jones, Chartered Surveyor, author and property investor. Number 4, it's relatively easy to borrow OPM against property. What's OPM? Other people's money. In other words, it's relatively easy to borrow against money. Now, just to contrast with other types of assets, if you went down to your local bank and you said, "Dear Mr. Bank Manager, please lend me some money so I can go and buy some stocks and shares," he or she is probably going to say no. With property though, if you go down to your local bank and you say, "I want to borrow some money to buy some property," they're probably going to say yes. Why? Because the banks know that in security terms, property is an A1 security. It's one of the best securities that you can get. Now, they're not going to lend you 100% very often, and they probably shouldn't, but you're going to be able to get 75%, 80%, 85% on a loan to value basis on just a typical buy-to-let loan. And there's lots of people out there who will lend you the money. At the moment, at the time of recording this video, there's probably about, 1,300 different buy-to-let products being offered by perhaps 30 or 40 different buy-to-let lenders. There's plenty of money out there if you want to invest in property. But even if you didn't want to go for conventional finance, and I'm counting buy-to-let finance as being conventional, there's other ways of raising the money. For example, many people invest in property not using conventional bank finance, but they use JV funds. They find business partners, in effect, who will finance their deals. And before you think to yourself, "Well, I couldn't do that," I reckon you probably could, and I don't know your circumstances, but there are so many people who are cash rich, but they don't have the resources to invest their cash into, and they particularly don't have the time to go out and research and find the resources to invest their cash into, that anybody who's got the time to go out and find property deals, and they know the type of deals that they should be looking for, will find the cash from other people who will lend them the money to go and buy those deals and do deals and JV deals with them. The money is out there. That's not a problem. That's one of the reasons why I love property. Well, I hope you found that informative and inspirational. Until next time, here's to successful property investing.